Sport Chief RT is an American V-twin purpose-built to perform, upgraded with factory-installed accessories and tuned for the open road. Locking hard saddlebags, 23-click fully adjustable Fox piggyback shocks, and a new 2-up bolster seat take the Sport Chief RT to a whole new level, while preserving its signature style, attitude, and dynamic ride. The all-new locking rigid saddlebags offer over 10 gallons of combined space, keeping your gear dry and secure. The new steep back 2-up high bolster seat enhances comfort and support, while preserving the Sport Chief's performance-driven style. The 23-click fully adjustable Fox piggyback shocks can be quickly tuned with an easy-to-reach twist knob, ensuring versatile performance. And forward foot controls come standard for riders who prefer to stretch their legs for increased comfort. The air-cooled Thunderstroke 116 delivers huge effortless low-end torque and high-speed cruising power. Riders can instantly switch between standard, tour, and sport modes to get the most out of their Sport Chief RT in any setting. The inverted KYB forks are plush yet lightweight and responsive, while Brembo brakes provide direct feel at the lever and pedal, offering incredible stopping power. Updated racing stripe tank graphics bring a fresh twist to Indian Motorcycle's iconic design. Premium components like 6-inch machined risers, moto handlebars, and machined triple trees showed that the Sport Chief RT is built for hard riding, with both style and comfort. Standard features include cruise control, ABS, keyless ignition, and full LED lighting. The Sport Chief RT can be further customized with 10-inch moto handlebar risers, the all-new high-mounted T-bar for stylish slow-speed tip-over protection, a 5.75-inch Pathfinder adaptive LED light, and a tall flared wind deflector to take the Sport Chief RT's style and function to the next level. The all-new Sport Chief RT is Indian Motorcycle's latest addition to American motorcycling, purpose-built to perform. From city streets to full days on the road, the Sport Chief RT does it all.